Product name: KIZEN Infrared Thermometer Gun, handheld heat temperature gun for cooking, pizza oven, grill and engine, laser surface temp reader -58F to 1112F, not for humans, digital. The KIZEN Infrared Thermometer Gun is a non-contact temperature gun that can be used to measure the temperature of objects from a distance. Here are some of the benefits and negatives of this product. Benefits: the thermometer is non-contact, making it safe and hygienic to use. The thermometer is easy to use and provides accurate temperature readings. The thermometer has a large, backlit display that makes it easy to read the temperature. The thermometer is suitable for use with a variety of objects, including food, liquids, and surfaces. Negatives: the thermometer is not suitable for use on humans. The thermometer's battery life is relatively short, so it may need to be recharged frequently. Overall, the KIZEN Infrared Thermometer Gun is a great choice for those who need a non-contact thermometer that is easy to use and provides accurate temperature readings. Price: $18.99.